Hello everyone, my name is Titus and today we are going to derive expression for time of ascent and time of flight. So, consider a projectile thrown from point A to point B as shown in diagram. Okay, so consider a projectile thrown from point A such that it reaches the highest point B in its trajectory, okay, as shown in the diagram below. So this is the diagram where a projectile is being thrown from point A. Let us say this is the point A from which the projectile is thrown, and let us say this is the highest point B, and let us say this is the point C at which the projectile reaches after covering the entire projectile. So let T be the time taken by the projectile to go from A to B. Okay. So now let the velocity of the projectile be u. So we can resolve it into two components. One is u cos theta along the x-axis and u sin theta along the y-axis. The vertical motion will be due to u sin theta and the horizontal motion will be due to u cos theta. So that means when it is going up, it is covering the vertical motion, so the velocity u sin theta will be taken into consideration. So we know that at the final velocity at point B, highest point, the vertical velocity, let us say v is equal to 0. So now we can write v is equal to u sin theta minus gt. Since the body is thrown upward, acceleration due to gravity is equal to g, we know that, but since the velocity is gradually reducing, the gravity will be minus g as we have written it here, and final velocity v is 0, so we have 0 is equal to u sin theta minus gt, or we can write gt is equal to u sin theta, or we can write t is equal to u sin theta by g. So this is the expression for time of ascent. Now let us come to time of flight. So if we see that the body, let us say it goes from A to C y point B, let the time be t. So let t be the time taken by the projectile to go from A to C. So if we assume, let us say at point A the height is 0, then at point C also the height is 0. So using expression for the height, that is s is equal to ut plus gt square by 2, we can use this formula and we can write 0 is equal to u sin theta into capital T minus g into t square by 2. Like I said, since when we are throwing it upward, it is going upward, the velocity is gradually reducing, so we have taken g to be negative. Solving, we get u sin theta into t is equal to g t square by 2. We can cancel 1 t here, or 2u sine theta by g, we get it to be t. So we got the final expression as t is equal to 2u sine theta by g, and we can also say that the time of flight is double the time of ascent, or we can write t is equal to 2t. This is the expression for time of ascent and time of flight.